You've opened your widget. Now you've got two questions. Number one, what am I going to do with this? And why am I doing it? Let's do the last one first. Why are we using this widget? The widget is going to give us the slope of a tangent line to the point on a curve. So if you'll see over here, you can see this is math land now. So there's a parabola. And this line that I'm writing over the top of now is tangent to that parabola at that red dot, at that one point. In theory, it only touches the parabola at that one point. That tangent line has a slope. That slope, if this was a position versus time graph, the slope of the tangent line is the instantaneous velocity of that object. And that's what we want. We want to know the velocities of the dry ice pucks as they move down the ramps at very specific time intervals, because then we can use that information to build a velocity versus time graph. That's the why. We want to take our three position equations and extract instantaneous velocity. Okay, so this widget will just do that, right? So what do? Basically, this widget is a Mathland widget. So when you open it up, you're going to see something I think it's 1 over x, whatever that is. Just get rid of it. Okay, and then you're going to put yours in, but we're not going to put it in. We're not going to use physics x and t. We're going to use math x. Okay, so here's f of x. That's like our math y. And we're going to type in, for my example here, it's just made it up. It's not one of my equations. I just made it up. We don't put in units because it's math land. And we're going to put in t with the caret. And squared. So that is this equation put into the widget. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick specific values. Okay, this says x, but this is our t. This is our time. So you would start with 0.1. And for 0.1 seconds, and you hit submit. It's going to do its thing for a couple of seconds. And then it's going to give you right there. That's what you want. That is the slope of the tangent line. But for our purposes, what I really want is that is the speed. In this case, it would be centimeters per second. That is the instantaneous velocity. You'll do that for the remaining times. And you can see it goes pretty fast. And you just record it. And then this is what you're going to enter into graphical analysis, to generate your velocity versus time graphs. That's how you use the widget.